When I first came to Gigaparts several years ago with the idea to create the POTA20 and the POTA33 carbon fiber masks, one of my stipulations was that we had to have replacement sections for these should they get broken. Well, unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on how you look at it, these sold so well, we weren't able to keep up with the demand of both the masks and extra sections. And I know some of you have broken your masks. You've emailed me about it. You've dropped comments on the YouTube channel. Well, now I'm here to tell you extra sections for the masks are now available on Gigaparts. You can get any section or sections for these with just a few clicks of the mouse. And just like the POTA20 and the POTA33 and the POTA33H, you can save 5% off with code K8MRD. Let's hop over on the computer and I'll show you how to order extra sections for the POTA33 and POTA20 masks. Now, before we hop over onto Gigaparts, I want to explain how these sections are going to be labeled. The outer sheath, this red part, is section number 1. So we're going to unscrew the cap. You can get extra caps as well. The first biggest section in here is section 2, then section 3, section 4, etc., all the way down, okay? Now, a lot of people have probably broken the tip, and because the tip has the ring on there, we can't just take that top section out without taking a couple sections out along with it. So if you've broken the top section, you're gonna get all of that to be able to replace your top section, okay? Now, let's take a look at the website. So on the Gigaparts page, if we search Explorer POTA Mast, we're gonna see the 3 masks, and then we see this one. They're gonna add images shortly, but Explorer POTA Mast Replacement sections. Click on that. And here in the drop-down under Item, we're gonna select either the POTA20 or the POTA33. So let's just use the POTA20. And then we can see on this drop-down for mask section, we got the bottom screw, which is the bottom screw and plug. We have section 1, which is that outer casing. Section 2, which would be the first fattest section inside, all the way down up to the tip sections, 14 through 18 plus eyelet. $19.95 or less for these replacement sections. Maybe you need section 10. $10, right? Pretty cool. And again, don't forget to use code K8MRD at checkout for 5%. And now you know you can get extra replacement sections for your POTA20 and POTA33 carbon fiber masks. My name is Mike, K8MRD. Thanks for watching Ham Radio Tube. We'll see you next time. 73.